So you've been wanting to try out mini twist as a protective style on your hair and you don't know how to go about it. This is the video for you. Hello everybody, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's Vivian Ebony here and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I'll be installing mini twist on my hair. Yeah, I have love-hate relationship with mini twist. I've not yet perfected the technique. It's either it's scanty or it's short, and within 2 weeks my hair is locking. So but I want to take my length retention journey very seriously. So I'm on a 6 months natural hair journey. That's from January, or let's say from December down to June. And I will only be installing mini twist or any protective style by myself. I no longer go to the salon. I want to really see if I can achieve maximum length retention. My hair already grows, it really grows fast, but I have issues with retaining length. So I have my rat tail comb, my Lotta body mousse, my spray bottle, and my cocoa butter. I have the video in my channel. My go-to leave-in conditioner, my herbal mix oil, and that is it. So this is the hair I'm working with. Is washed. I washed it the previous day, so it's clean with no product added. I think I just did my oils on my scalp. Yeah, so you want to start by sectioning off the hair, and this is where the most work comes in, because sectioning the hair by yourself is not easy. So I was using my phone camera, but I later on used a mirror in my front and then watching it with my phone camera. So it helped me see the back of my hair. So one thing you have to know is that your parts doesn't have to be perfect. At least this is my first time actually trying a mini twist properly, taking my time to section. So my parts were not the best, but at least it was something I could work with, because where I focused more on was on the front part of my hair. That's why I tried to make the parts cleaner and better. So when you have your hair sectioned in four, you can start at the back of your hair or at the front, depends what your preference is. I myself, I like to start from the back because it's more forgiving, even if I make mistakes or had lots of trials and errors. So at this place now, I'll cut it in two. The goal of the twist is not to make it very tiny, but kind of mini, but not too mini. So I start by sectioning off and then braiding it down a little, maybe 6 to 7 braids, and then I twist. And when you're done braiding, you want to share the third braid into two equal parts, and then, because in this twist you don't want to borrow hair, because when you're taking it down, your hair will tangle when you borrow hair. So you want to make sure the parts you shared is enough. And then I don't braid the ends of the hair. As you can see throughout the video, all the ends of my hair were left. So when I want to take it down, it won't be I don't need to use a comb or anything to help me take it down. I will just unravel it because the ends were left loose. So I'm going over the same thing, braiding down a little. It can be more than 7 if you wish, especially at the nape of my hair, because that place tends to loosen in whatever hairstyle I do. So when you braid it, it keeps it secure. So you share the third braid in two and then you twist anti-clockwise. So that is what I did for this part of the section. Just braid a little and then twist the remaining parts, and then always leave the ends of your hair. Your part doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, for the rest of the videos, I didn't have a perfect part like these ones. So here I'm on the last twist of this section. I didn't count the twist I did, but I know it was plenty. So I braided and then started twisting the rest of the hair. Now I'm done with the two sections at the back. As you can see, my pots are not the best, they are not the neatest, but this will do. So I'll section that off and get ready for the front part of the hair. So once I notice my hair has dried out, I'll re-moisturize. I'll use my spray bottle and my leave-in conditioner. This will help minimize breakage a lot. So this is another tip you can use to try that out. So don't be afraid to add moisture back, to add water or whatever leave-in conditioner you have. So this is where I'm at. It's already dark by this time. I started this hair around 11 o'clock in the morning, stopped around 3, rested, and then continued around 6:30. So I'm at the other side or other half of the hair. And as you can see, at this time, I was already getting tired. So my parts were not the best again. So I just tried as much as possible to make sure at least it was close to being perfect. And finally, I'm done with all the twists. I didn't bother counting how many twists I had in my hair, but it was a lot. I've not had my twist come out this full, like my mini twist come out this full, and it felt really nice. Like, it felt so nice, and I was so happy and proud of myself. So I think this took a total number of maybe 5 hours or 6 hours. I didn't keep count. But as you can see, even when I pack my hair, it's still looking full. So now to moisturize the tips of my hair, I added my water and my mousse to, kind of bring it down because it was looking very puffy at the back. So I added my mousse to kind of define my curls. And yeah, that's what I did. I've applied the mousse on this section of the hair, still trying to define my curls. As you can see, my hair is laying a bit flatter now, unlike before where it was all puffy. So I'll go ahead and do that for my back sections. Spray just a little bit of water at the tips of my hair and then apply my mousse. And that's just how I was able to get that flat looking look. And then I seal everything with my herbal mix oil. I put that on my scalp and at the ends of my hair and make sure I massage it in. If you've made it this far to this video, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment and liking this video. Share to your friends and family. And your subscription will go a long way to help this channel to refer to other people who may be in need of this mini twist tutorial. So that is what I do. I make sure I get the nape and back of my hair. I make sure not to miss a spot. So this is how the hair is looking, really full, like more than I expected. So you will see me playing with the hair a little bit and seeing how it looks. Look how full it is. Even I've not had a mini twist come out this good. And my 2025, I plan not to go to the salon for any hairstyle. I want to take my hair journey very seriously to reduce the amount of breakage I get when I visit the salon. So the hair is done. I'm here shaking it a little bit to see how my face feels like. This is the first time I'm doing a protective style without an extension in a long time, in a very long time. The last mini twist I did, I had an extension in it with it, so it feels really good and lightweight. So like I said again, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and share and like this video. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.